So do you see the circles are different for each and every region?
Yes, Suman.
Do you know why that is?
Because it shows which region has a larger revenue and then smaller like that.
Yeah. So see, I have added, if you see, I have clicked in the fields, I have clicked profit and revenue both. Okay. Now, if you wanted to see the circles which you drew according to your profits, then you should put the profit on in the size button. Okay, here. Okay. If I want the circles according to the revenue, then you should add the revenue into the size. I hope you got what I meant. So the circle which you are able to see is according to the revenue, not the profit. Now, if you wanted to add it according to the profit, then you have to just drag and put it into the size. Okay. Now, I'll add the revenue as well into the tooltip. Here you are not going to see the circles according to the revenue, but when you hover over the particular country or the region, whatever your data is, you'll be able to see the profit and revenue both over there. Understood? Now, I don't want the colors to be same for all the regions, so you can change the colors here. See, if the default color over here is shown as what? Blue color. And the color changing option is disabled here. It is always disabled. You have to enable this. Then you have to change the colors here.
Suman, how did you add in that between of donut that it was showing 19K? How did you add that?
That also you have to do it in format only.
Okay.
Search all the, I want you to enable each and every option in the format and try it out.
Okay. Suman, actually, what is the use of tooltip? Can you explain once?
Oh, tooltip. If I just hover over it, you should be able to get the region and profit over here. See.
Okay.
In the tooltip, you'll obviously get it, but you are very specific about, see, one of the data has not been added into your chart. Let's say that I have added what? Profit and my region into this chart, right? Donut chart.
Yeah.
But I'm very particular about the revenue also, but I don't want you to add it in the chart, but it should be shown in the chart. The value should be displayed. Then you can just go into the revenue and add it into the tooltip. What happens is when you just hover over it, you'll get the revenue as well.
Okay.
Yeah. In here you have given the country and profit is there, no?
Country and profit, yeah.
But for me, no. Like, did you change any formats over here? Is there anything changed in the format style?
Why? What are you getting?
I'm getting a blank vein over there.
Okay, can you show it to me?
Is it visible?
Yeah. Go to your field. In below the visualization you have beside the format you have something called field, right? Go to field. Okay, sorry, it's not by profit by country, it's country by region, not profit.
No, that time I could see this profit over here, no? Listed over there.
No, profit is in y-axis. That is why you are able to see. But in the, what do you call? Okay, you have your country and region.
Yeah.
Okay. Can I see that? Okay, values you have. Breakdown is country and just scroll up. You have something called category, right?
Category, yeah.
Yeah, you have to add region there. You got a different one because you are checking profit by region and country, but if you change the breakdown, the breakdown is coming according to the country. If you just break it down according to the region, you'll get it region wise as I had done it. Just swap region and country, that's all. You can just remove that field. Yeah, drag it down. Category, add the country.
I think country, I
Suman-
think it is unrated, I guess.
Remove the region.
Yeah.
Sorry?
Breakdown. If from breakdown regions remove, it will become normal.
Remove that.
And in category introduce the country.
Okay.
I have to remove region from the breakdown, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So what we are doing is we are getting the profit according to the category country, right? And within that, if I want to break it down to the region, I can do that with the help of, by just dragging the region into the breakdown.
Okay.
So see, what happened is what you got, the chart what you got was correct. What you were doing is you had a chart where you were calculating the profit by the country.
Yeah.
Now I wanted to break it down region wise as well. So I introduced the region into the breakdown part. So it broke it down, the value, the profit, broke it down to the region wise as well. That's all.